This is my honest review and demonstration for the Septree food dehydrator. Right off the bat, this thing is a lot smaller than most other dehydrators that I've seen. My mom used to have was like 2.5 feet long. It was just this giant black cube. But I like how compact this thing is. I'm gonna slice up these apples so they're about 1/6 of an inch thick. Tray down, then rubber. Then I'll lay down my apple slices. This isn't all that much, but I'm just doing it for the demonstration. Okay, now I'm gonna load up my trays. Okay, now I'm going to turn this on. Start it at, I'll go like 165 for 6 hours. I think that should be just good enough. And what's really cool about this is you can change the light too. So I can turn this on or off. And here's how it looks after 6 hours. Might have chopped them too thin, but you can see that it totally worked. So overall, my wife and I have 0 complaints. This thing is awesome and it gets the job done.